We have an amazing, huge update in the world of type 1 diabetes today from Dr. Piotr Witkowski. He just announced that one of his patients, Marlena, has now been cured of type 1 diabetes for 1 whole year. You guys, she threw her insulin pump away a year ago. That is so amazing. Marlena is part of the Eledon trial, and they are testing out a new drug called tegoprubart. It is a drug that can keep your islet cells alive without the nasty, awful side effects and toxicities of the traditional immunosuppressants. Marlena is a good friend of mine, and I'm actually going to be interviewing her very soon, so stay tuned for that. You're going to want to hear that. Marlena is one of the first 3 patients that are in this Eledon trial for type 1 diabetes. This is Dr. Witkowski's awesome announcement he made today. I'm going to explain this here. He said that Marlena's most recent A1C is 5.1, and when they did a meal tolerance test on her, her sugar only reached 124. You guys, this is the thing that dreams are made of. He says that he is going to be dosing a total of 9 patients, so there's going to be some amazing data coming out later this year with these next patients. He also announced a separate trial that is going to begin soon with patients with type 1 diabetes who have some level of kidney dysfunction. This is amazing because tegoprubart does not have the awful toxicities for kidneys that the traditional tacrolimus drug does have. Let's talk for just a minute about tegoprubart. So tegoprubart is a CD40 ligand inhibitor. It prevents T and B cell activation, which will then prevent the beta cells from being killed when they're given to someone in an islet cell transplant. Because they block this specific pathway, you could say that they dampen the immune system through this one specific pathway, but they do not globally suppress the immune system like tacrolimus does that has been the standard of care for 30 plus years. There's a separate trial going on with Eledon called the BESTOW trial with 120 patients, and they are giving these patients kidney transplants and they're putting them on tegoprubart to protect their kidneys. And the results of that trial are amazing. Some of the patients have been on the drug for about 2 years, and we're not seeing an increase in any cancers or diseases or anything like that. So this is so big, you guys. Tegoprubart is the future of type 1 diabetes cures. And make sure you follow me here and join my Facebook group, Crushing T1, to receive all of the updates.